Welcome everyone to TWG International. So I would further like to talk about placements and the support that TWG International offer to its students. So post JOTP, what we do have is we have a separate placements division, and that division is all out and having 50 odd industries contacts with us, where we place and where we actually support our students for the placements. So for that, we also have the regular activities, which is interpersonal skills and interpersonal and communication skills. At the same time, we also help students in resume preparation as well as HR techniques, interview techniques that will help students and job seekers for approaching for the job, where we post all the jobs which comes to TWG on our social media, on our different social media platforms, wherein we connect with all the students. So our process follows that. Once the GOTP is completed, once the skill trainings are completed, capacity building activities completed, we basically put them onto an HR round. So HR rounds help them to get the updates through TWG alumni groups, where the students are continuously updated over the different medias about the job opportunities. So whoever is students passing out from TWG have a unique opportunity to go through the HR department and find themselves for the best fit in the job industry. So for this, we have been working with Hyderabad Police, we have been working with GHMC in Hyderabad, as well as we are having a lot of companies where we have the direct tie-up. So again, there we have in HR we have two primary divisions. One is we basically place the candidates based on the job requirement from the customer. We help the students to understand how to pass in the job interviews and get through the job. Apart from that, we do also have another division called staffing, where we take the students on our payroll and place them into companies as per their requirements. So post this activity, we now let me give a very brief and high level overview about what kind of certifications we basically offer to students. We offer different job-oriented skill training programs, which are internationally valid and certified by different international organizations, depending on what stream it is. For example, if I talk about supply chain management, we are certified from NIBM, National Institute of Business Management from United States. Similarly, if you are talking about safety, we are certified from different international organizations in UK and US. Similarly, we are certified and internationally accredited courses we offer from PSCB board, which is a United Nations affiliated board, and that gives an opportunity for students to work within India as well as outside India. At the same time, we are also empaneled with National Skill Development Corporation, Skill India initiatives, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, state government. We are recognized by state government as well as the central government. So different set of bodies are there where TWG International is recognized and offer a valid certificate which can be attested, which can be verified, and it can be used within India as well as outside India as a valid certificate to find the job into a particular trade. So that's about the certification. Alongside, we do have a very experienced faculties who are coming from the industry, having 30 years, 40 years, 20 years, 10 years, depending on different streams. We are having faculties having skill set where they are coming from the industries. So our primary focus here is not to give a theoretical knowledge, but to give the knowledge which is required to fetch the job in the industry. So that is unique about TWG, and our certifications are 200 plus certifications that we offer today into different technical trades and different verticals, where we map the students from the respective academic background to a technical domain, technical skill sector. Based on that, we facilitate them to find the job in the industry. We are tied up with Reliance, we are tied up with GMR, we are tied up with L&T, we are tied up with so many organizations who are hiring our people directly onto their payroll. Coming back to the facilities, how TWG International is positioned. what kind of facilities we offer to our students and the job seekers. We are centrally located right in the heart of the city in Hyderabad. The location is Abbots. This is just a kilometer away from the railway station, Nampally railway station, which is very much approachable. We have a huge place which you will be probably seeing going forward in this video. Our facilities, our classroom setups, our labs, as well as the practical provision. A lot of facilities for the parking and centrally located for commute, so students can easily commute by any means, by bus, by auto, by cab. There are very much possibilities are there the students can reach us. At the same time, because of COVID, TWG International is also offering online trainings. So students who can't make it to office, they can join us live for the online trainings, and we ensure that students who join online also get the right exposure to get to the job industry. So these are the few areas which I have shared today. In coming series, we will discuss further detail about each area as well as the different initiatives by TWG International. So I would like to thank everyone, and I would ask the parents especially to kindly come down and meet our experts who are sitting and available here from the different industries, from the different backgrounds, from the different sectors. You can come along with your son and daughter. You can come with all the job seekers who are looking out for the jobs, all the NRIs who are here and looking for the opportunity, either it's in entrepreneurship or for job or upgrading the skills, getting connected to the industry. We are here and we are ready to support all the communities across India. So with that, I would like to thank everyone for watching this video, and I'm sure that you will able to find TWG a place where your career begins. Thank you very much.